Welcome to Thinker Studio. My name is Professor Mahamani. Today we will see experiment 2 in the Tinkering Lab. Hello, now we will see the experiment 2. So experiment 1 already I uploaded the video. You can check in the channel. The experiment 2 is demonstrate a traffic light circuit using breadboard. So here the students has to understand the common procedure. This lab duration is 2 hours. So that thinker part, virtual circuit creation, everything you practice at your home. Then remaining 2 hours we will look at the real time experiments by using kit, doing all those things. So, the objective of this particular experiment is to design and demonstrate working a traffic light system using breadboard, LED, and either a 555 timer IC or an Arduino, simulating real world signal operation. So here that Arduino we are using Arduino that a 555 timer IC, it can be checked for alternative. And background theory of this experiment, normally traffic light, you know how it will work. So red light indicates stop, yellow light indicates get ready. So normally timing it will be given lesser when compared to remaining two. Then green light, it will be go. So here there is a two-way control approach. One is using 555 timer, a hardware-based approach using timing logic and circuitry. Whereas our laboratory, I am going to demonstrate both the Tinkercad and the experiment using Arduino board. So Arduino board is a programmable approach where timing is controlled through the coding. So coding part also I am going to explain in this video. So both are effective for understanding control system, time sequence, and digital output management. The components apparatus are given. We are taking breadboard, 3 colors LED. We are taking 330 ohms resistor, but this is not available stock. So therefore, we purchased 220 and we demonstrated at Tinkercad as well as the experiment. Jumper wire, Arduino, then we have USB cable. We purchased Type B. This will be Arduino, can be connected with the laptop for original. Battery 9 volt, but our demonstration we used 5 volt. So 555 timer is optional. So now I come to circuit diagram. So here LED connected to Arduino pins D2, D233 via current limiting resistors. So instead of 330, we are taking 220. The ground connected to the cathode of LED. So this is the pinout diagram for Arduino. So procedure is you place red, yellow, green LEDs on the breadboard. So this is the Tinkercad output. So connect your green LED, yellow, red LED. So positive you connect with the resistor. Then green light you connect with the pin number. So pin 234 it is there. So green light you connect with pin number 12. I think you can see here 12. Then this is with 11 and this is with 10. So negative terminal of the LED. So commonly we are connecting here. So from here we are connecting with ground. So ground means this ground. So we are connecting here. Then connect all the cathode to ground. So all the cathodes we are connecting here. From here commonly we are connecting with Arduino ground. So that code part. So this is the code we wrote. So first three it will assign the pin. So here 12, 11, 10 it is assigned. So 12 for green, yellow for 11, red for 10. So here this part of the program clearly explains the green pin as output to indicating the green light. So similarly here it will give yellow. So yellow shaded yellow, red one, red color. So here it will digital write this part of the program during running which turn on green LED. While green LED is on, yellow and red it will be at 0 volt. 0 volt means low. Okay, there is no power supply. Power supply will cut off. So here delay we are giving the 5000 millisecond. That means 5000 while green light is on. Similarly, passes 2000 milliseconds while yellow light is on. Passes 5000 millisecond while red light is on. So this control governed by this particular part. Then finally here we are giving the void setup loop everything. So reason for giving this is this function repeat indefinitely cycling through the sequence of green, yellow, red lights with this specific delay. So the delay timing we are fixing 552. So this is the observation table. As per that we did the expected result. LED lights up at proper sequence. So that is the important thing. Timing mimic real world traffic signal pattern. Now we are giving very less timing. So real time it will be different. They will be given little more time. And analysis here we have to demonstrate the basic state machine logic using software, introduce time delay and the digital output. That means you can vary instead of delay 4 seconds, green 10 seconds, red 10 seconds, like that you can change it. So real-time application extension, this could be extended, smart traffic light using IR sensor and camera, emergency vehicle prioritizing using RFID, pedestrian constant crossing signal with the push button. So these are all the mini project we are expecting you to